jopuonjre. Kawadhi e kaunti ma Migori, ywaruok omienje od bura mar kaunti ma Migori bang' MCS rocho chenro mar romo moyiedhi ma obagi kawuono e od burano. MCS nochako ywaruok e kinde mane jalup spika David Chacha tayo twak e od burano. Ne giyango ich wang' margi, wera ni jalup spika ne odagi winjo ng'ur margi weche ma mulo hola mowinjore bed ni miyogi mag nyiewo nyamburko kod rem yudo omenda makonyogi e weche mag somo e kinde mowinjore. Tungni ne okelo hinyruok ne moko kuom MCS.
There are some of our issues, some of our grievances that have been underrated, or actually they have not been taken care of. For instance, there was an issue of bursary that my colleague has just spoken about. We went ahead into the ward areas. We made announcements that we were supposed to be distributing the bursary forms beginning last week. Up to now, we do not know the fate of those bursaries. We do not know where the forms are, and we do not understand why all this process was suspended. Two, in this county assembly in Migori, we have what we call house leadership. The house leadership, headed by the majority leader, is intimidating the members. We are victimized. Someone is believing that he owns the governor. Such a member is not allowed to speak to the governor. And we feel so bad because we are all members of the county assembly. We represent our people. There is a legal role that brought us here, and we need to perform it without victimization.
In a situation where a leader mandated to uphold, which is sworn to uphold the rule of law, violates that, then there is no any other way for us to work with him. So that's why we are collecting signatures to remove the Deputy Speaker for that gross violation of our standing orders.
There are some of the challenges that only dialogue can address. It's unfortunate that there are those who want to incite other members for their own interest, which I believe is also part of politics. However, I believe everything is going to be sorted in a most amicable way so that we can move on as initial.